Pinnawala, an ancient village steeped in tradition and culture, offers a fascinating glimpse into the rich heritage of its people. One of the most intriguing attractions is the traditional medicine house. This location serves as a testament to the village's deep-rooted practices in herbal medicine and natural healing. Here, visitors can learn about various local herbs and remedies that have been passed down through generations. The knowledge and skills of traditional healers provide insight into the community's holistic approach to health, emphasizing the importance of nature in their well-being. Next is the village chief's house, a significant structure that symbolizes local governance and leadership. This house not only serves as the residence of the village chief but also as a meeting place for community discussions and decisions. It reflects the social hierarchy and the communal spirit of Pinnawala, where leadership is closely tied to the welfare of the villagers. Another captivating aspect of village life is traditional astrology. In Pinnawala, astrology is more than just a belief. It is woven into the fabric of daily life. Local astrologers help guide decisions ranging from agricultural practices to personal affairs, illustrating how deeply ingrained these practices are in the community's culture. The art of pottery making is another highlight of the village. Here, skilled artisans create beautiful pottery using techniques that have been refined over centuries. Visitors can observe the intricate process of shaping clay and the creativity involved in designing unique pieces. This craft not only showcases the artistic talents of the villagers but also serves as a vital source of income and cultural expression. A specific aspect of pottery in Pinnawala is referred to as clay valang, which made a note of particular style or technique unique to the area. This distinction adds to the richness of the local craft, making it a point of interest for those who appreciate handmade artistry. For a taste of local life, the coffee shop is an essential stop. This social hub is where villagers and visitors gather to enjoy freshly brewed coffee. Often made from locally sourced, it serves as a vibrant meeting point for exchanging stories, building friendships, and experiencing the warmth of the community. The atmosphere is lively, filled with laughter and conversation, providing a true sense of belonging. The woodworker's house is a haven for those interested in craftsmanship. Here, artisans skillfully carve and shape wood into functional and decorative items. The craftsmanship on display reflects the traditional techniques that have been honed over generations, showcasing the dedication and skill involved in creating each piece. Lastly, the presence of blacksmiths and handlooms highlights the village's diverse trades. Blacksmiths work diligently to create tools and other metal goods,